next guest is a skin expert whose video recently went viral on TikTok. Check this out.
Don't wash your face in the morning unless you have acne. Please stop doing it. Thank you.
Don't do it.
Wash your face in the morning. All right, so the internet has a lot of opinions about when to wash your face. Here to address the controversy is esthetician Nicole Caroline. Hi, Nicole. Okay, for my face, for example, I'm always putting Vaseline on it because when I'm sparring and stuff, I'm trying not to get cut, right? So it's always feeling icky. And even in my 40s, I'm still breaking out. So I figure I have to wash my face all the time. Not true?
Well, okay. I had no idea of the polarizing debate I was going to cause online with the 3.5 million views of this TikTok.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. So I couldn't believe it. I mean, people were like, oh my God, she's crazy. Don't listen to her. And people were like, this changed my life. Oh, thank you so much. People thought I was saying, don't wash your face ever. Like ever again. And that's clearly not what I was saying.
Different.
I was saying, don't wash your face in the morning. So what I want people to understand is that if you're double cleansing at night, then you can skip cleansing in the morning. People are over cleansing their face. They're drying it out. That's causing all types of oil production, breakouts, everything.
Right. So even if you take a shower like I do at night and in the morning, when you take that shower, don't use soap on it.
Don't use soap. You can rinse
What
with
about lotion?
water.
You still go with the lotion?
Still with lotion. You can do your whole routine.
So
Yep.
just the cleanse. Okay, well, tell us the proper way to clean our face then.
Okay, so the proper way to clean your face at night.
At night.
I want everybody double cleansing. Double cleansing. Double cleansing does not just mean cleanse twice. There's a proper way to do it. So you're going to use a cleansing oil like this one. You cannot use a regular oil, okay? So just kind of rub that in. Yep.
Got it.
Okay. Dry hands, dry face.
Okay.
That's
Dry
where the
hands.
magic happens.
That's where, okay, good.
Yeah,
good.
because that's actually going to reduce the oil production.
Okay, that's the key.
Okay.
Dry hands, dry face, yeah.
And you're going to go in with a little bit of water.
What do you think about scrubs? Because you know, in men, I like to do the scrubs
do it every day.
because of the...
I exfoliate every day.
Yeah, exfoliate.
Don't.
What I like is I don't want
know.
to get going hairs.
Don't
It's
scrub your
not-
face every
Why
day.
not?
This is a new one.
Don't scrub your
Don't
face.
scrub your
Face every day.
It's over.
I like the green one, like the ones that feel like gravel, because it's really getting in there.
I'm sure you do. It's
But
great.
no good.
Don't do it. No,
Don't do it.
I promise. You're over cleansing, over drying, over scrubbing
Got it.
your skin. The magic and the beauty happens in the relaxation of the skin when we're not partially cleansing it or partially scrubbing it.
So you just
I
want us to
promise
walk around like filthy, funky faces.
you. No, so
Well,
you're
we're
gonna
gonna get our
do this
natural
at-
oils.
Okay,
Okay, here's the
That
second.
was a debate. Yeah, so here's the second. These two are meant to work together, okay?
Okay.
So oil first, dry skin. That's it. You're just gonna
Oil
go in
first.
literally right on top of that
With
the milk cleanser.
Oh, you got two
Yeah.
cleansers.
Hence the double
Oil.
cleansing.
Double cleanse. I thought it was the scrub, okay.
That's okay. So then you're gonna literally do that right on top of it.
Okay.
So then we're gonna rinse it with some water.
Okay.
And then we're gonna pat dry
Okay.
and wipe that off. And then we'll get into
The
why
morning.
sleep is so important.
Okay, let's get into it.
After
Look away from my age spots, people. Whatever. Dry the hands. Okay, continue.
beautiful hands. So then literally right on top of that, you're gonna go into your routine. This does not have to be
Got it.
your specific routine. Everybody's gonna be a little different, okay?
What's this take, about 45 minutes? Because
Hour and a half sometimes. No, honestly, it shouldn't take longer than 3 to 4 minutes.
Okay.
I promise.
Okay.
Lactic acid, that is going to hydrate.
Okay.
That is going to exfoliate. This is what you should be exfoliating.
that's okay.
That's
Not the
Chemical,
gravel.
not
I
the
did the same
gravel.
one.
Okay.
Once a
Yeah,
week
so
gravel, then lactic acid. So then this is.
What is
you're
going
gonna go
on
in
here? It's like
with
a magic serum?
it is actually. It's a hyaluronic acid serum. It is a supercharged serum. This is going to help lock all that moisture in.
Wow.
It's going to add moisture to
See, what
your
if I already
skin.
have an oily face like me? I'm getting more moisture on my oily face?
Yes, the moisture is going to help balance it.
Huh.
That's the biggest misconception in skincare is that my face is oily, so I can't use moisturizer.
Right.
I can't use oil.
Misconception.
It is.
False.
Yeah,
Got
false,
it.
false.
What
Okay.
about the misconception as you do this? Does alcohol definitely dehydrate you? But there's a rumor out there that it causes acne, it causes breakouts.
There's a rumor out there about a lot of things. So alcohol does not cause acne per se. You're not going to have a drink and then wake
But
up
it
with a
dehydrates
pimple.
you, I'm sure.
It dehydrates you.
There you go.
It causes inflammation over time.
Right.
So
It's
that
like a mad puffy.
So that, yeah, that's why we ice in the morning too. I mean, there's a whole lot of things
Yeah.
that you honestly can do for that. So you're gonna drink a glass of water, okay? After each drink, just like you would do like a cup of coffee. You're gonna drink water between each drink. That's gonna help with the
That
hydration.
ruins the buzz, though.
You are going.
Just so you know.
Close it down, doctor.
Defeats the whole purpose of drinking, but
glasses of water.
I'm just not gonna wash my face in the morning.
Not at all. Okay, but wait. So now, is this all the nighttime routine?
No, we're not.
Oh, we're not going.
God, I thought it was like 45 minutes here.
No, 4 minutes, she says. Okay.
No, hey, bro. So then you're gonna lock all that in with a moisturizer, okay?
Oh my
So you
God.
got- it's really double cleanse, lactic acid, hyaluronic acid, moisturizer. That's it, okay? This is it for the nighttime. We locked
good.
it in.
We made it.
Yes, we did. We did.
By the way, get out of here. Victoria, feel
Silky smooth.
Okay.
Listen, now one less step of getting ready in the morning. You just probably saved me another 10 minutes. Thank you very
You
much.
just did all that. No.
All that.
Thank you for sharing your
All that.
wisdom.
For all the info, head over to Nicole's website
Yes.
where viewers can enjoy a special discount with the code ACCESS. Get you hooked up right there. We'll be right back.
Okay.